Welcome to our channel. Discover's Cashback Match feature automatically doubles all the cashback you earn during your first year as a card member. Follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize this valuable benefit. Step 1. Apply for and receive approval for a Discover credit card that offers the Cashback Match benefit, such as the Discover It card. Step 2. Activate your card when it arrives and start using it for purchases to begin earning cashback rewards immediately. Step 3. Understand how the cashback categories work. Discover offers 5% cashback on rotating quarterly categories, up to the quarterly maximum when you activate, and 1% on all other purchases. Step 4. Activate your 5% cashback categories each quarter by logging into your Discover account and clicking Activate for the current quarter's bonus categories. Step 5. Use your Discover card throughout your first year for everyday purchases, quarterly bonus categories, and any other eligible spending to accumulate cashback. Step 6. Track your cashback earnings by logging into your Discover account regularly to see how much you've earned to date. Step 7. At the end of your first year as a card member, Discover will automatically match all the cashback you earned dollar for dollar. Step 8. For example, if you earned $500 in cashback during your first year, Discover will add another $500, giving you $1,000 total. Step 9. You don't need to do anything to claim the cashback match. Discover applies it automatically at the end of your first card member year. Step 10. The matched cashback will appear as a statement credit on your account or can be redeemed through various options available in your reward center. Step 11. To maximize this benefit, use your Discover card as much as possible during the first year while paying your balance in full to avoid interest charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.